Now you me know. SWAT team. Pretty girl storm. Fret them. Tanya. What am I dealing with? Ask them what am I dealing with now. Tell them. You know no big, on the band and heavy. Any girl this or not tonight, them a go bury Jixie ball. You know no big, on the band and heavy. Now you me know. Tell them on the rap pam pam pam. Tell them some we don't pound and sound. Anything test dead on the rap pam pam pam. Pretty girl storm. Listen me now, pretty girl storm. Give me the weed, gun ganja weed, but I burn it down, cause you will burn down the breed. Give me the weed, gun sense the weed. SWAT team, tell them, you need no reason for kill because they kill without a cause. They may not them break. SWAT team don't need no reason for kill because they kill it without a cause. Pretty girl storm, guess what now? So why? Knocking about it. I fool them. Knocking about it. Salute! Big up on yourself, Jixie King say. Don't know mad no, but.
A long time bathroom. Hear yourself, Khalid. Self Jew. She has show her bathroom, her one bathroom. You know the one bathroom where she always has show. What the buckle? Pull the buckles and rest yourself. Yeah. The girl I make our kids them a lie. Love sandals are the wrong thing that you do. Yeah, are the wrong thing that way you do. Me take her pretty coming and I want to pretty something. Pretty? She will come back. Listen, people. Me know people lie. From me born out of my mother coochie. I never know say somebody can so lie and wicked till she make the kids them a lie. She was live at one page named Shana and Money Monique, something like so over the page. And them a tell her say she stop lie. The bathroom she showed this morning is total a different house. You can tell. I be a chaka something in her bathroom. She's very untidy. She don't know how to design. No, like she have a pick the brains. A fucking pick the brains. Love Sundays, they really mean say you call your kids them and make your 3 blood clot pity them alive. The 3 pity them on the war era. Big up yourself, Jenna. They put them there, but yes, it's 5 bathroom. Oh, the people them say, we, the public, demand your video, you go live in all of the big bathroom them where you put up. We don't want here, you tell your kids them. And then you be disrespectful because people see your lies and people are telling say, we tired of you. We tired of your lie. Stop showing the people them house. You are not rich. You suffer. You suffer bad. You only can find the basic and this little food. So then me want to know if she did go back live with Sid. I don't know if she go back live with Sid. It's just a while ago, I'm going in my group. I'm look, I'm see say the woman was live. Because today, she showed the bathroom and I whisper. She a whisper in the bathroom for me. Look on the same big bathroom, you know. The same woman bathroom we are talking about. She go back there today, go clean. And she has showed the people them bathroom. Right? The woman sick. She's sick. Oh, you have to tell your kids them. Oh, you have to tell your kids. Where do I? Do you even know? Oh, you have to tell your kids them for lie. Jesus Christ. What did you do her, Caris? You did her something. Get up out of my bed. Go on. I don't care where you want to go. Get up out of my bed. Hold your back, Baba. Alright. Yeah, sorry about that. Because she knows that the baby is very sensitive. Yo, me said the woman is crazy. What me come to talk about are the kids them. Lady, what you're doing is wrong. Stop it. You're a create monster. I hope when them start lie to you, you know. You know what them kids are going to turn to you and say, but you told us to lie. You told us to lie. Oh, you for in a 3-bedroom. I have 5 blood clot bathroom. 5 bathroom. And she put 10 bit. Yo, lady, you not have no sense of taste, style, or nothing. You just a old closed government. You just want to fit in with the crowd. Guess what? You will never fit in. Because maybe if you come as you are, come as yourself, and no say, we are all struggling. We're not blood clot rich. We're not Cardi B. We're not Beyonce. You understand? So we are struggle. Right? But you come and you look down upon people and you show the people them big house, and when you look, you're in a one clutterous, dark, foggy, dirty house. Because you can't see your house dirty. And then you go make your kids them lie, lady. Lady, really? Really, lady? You gonna get your kids them when they don't talk about me. Oh, Tanya kill this car. Tanya have her kids them. Madda 24-year-old, and when Madda come per life, she talk about what trouble her and make fake page with her picture, and come in her inbox, go in her sibling them inbox. That's what she come and talk about. You think me could have tell my kids them for lie? Me could have tell my kids them for lie. When Kimora go school, me and her have an altercation, and she go school, go tell them say, me rough her up. You think me want her for lie? Me no want none of my people them for keep no secret and tell no lie. Lady, see what you're doing? It's wrong. You are creating monsters. It's so sad that your sad, fucking, boring, tasteless life. You want to draw your children them in a fantasy world. It's wrong, lady. Lady, it's wrong. Stop it. The girl them are telling the truth. Them we're tired of it now. We're fed up and we're tired of the lies. You're too fucking lie. Stop showing the people them house. No, we're not stupid. The people them not stupid. Exactly, Auntie Paulette. The whole of we are struggler. We're not rich. You understand? Why this woman continuously lying to her fucking ugly ear mouth? Girl, you're too ugly for so lie. Come on. Have some more things about you that can mask your ugliness, your ugly inside and out. And you're teaching those children to lie. You're teaching your children to become a monster. Me did have to come on alive, yeah. Because when me see what you're doing back, sister, when me see what you do, what I see you are doing to your kids, them, me narrate you. Go you for go. Yeah, careless blood clot, which is yeah. Pretty, sister.
Yeah.
Me did have to compress live. It burned
Me
me.
said the
The
woman
kids
lie,
part
she
burned
lie,
me.
she lie, she lie. Oh God, man. How much more can
How
you lie?
can
Like
you
you could see that the bathrooms are two
still
different
lost for word?
bathrooms. I put it
I
up
still
on my
lost for
page,
word.
Tanya. Tanya, I put it up on my page. And last year she come and do the same thing, you know. Last
Yes.
year, and she showed the people in bathroom. And guess what? She come back again and make it look like,
Come
oh,
back
it's
again
new
today.
decor. It's
When
new
she showed me
decor, and it's the same fucking decor from last year with the
exactly.
same carpet.
When she showed today, when she showed the white people in bathroom and she had whisper, you know, I was
Right.
oh God, here it
She
go,
put
here it
down the
go. Now.
camera. No, but she put down the camera because she wants to see if anybody will come, and then you hear her put it
Yes,
in
she
the
has
garbage
it
bag.
paranoid and she had whisper. So I said, I
Right.
don't want to look upon this woman. And then the nerve of you. Dawn, my bathroom bigger than your house. Shut the
My
fuck
bathroom
up.
bigger
Your
than your
bathroom bigger than
house.
your house. That's not your bathroom. I'm
Right.
glad the people in her live. I tell her the truth now. Stop sit down on her fucking live
Exactly.
and make this fucking liar woman. I tell her lie them. I wanna know what's a lie she a
Right.
tell. We don't need to tell her the
And they're
truth, but she fuck
boosting
off
her.
her IG.
Them a boost her up.
Don't boot her. She's a wicked lying woman. The woman is deranged and sick. What kind of fucking mother
Exactly.
gonna
All
tell
for
children
IG.
them to
All for
lie?
IG.
For
All for
IG?
Instagram
Me
people.
gonna tell
Like,
my
come on.
babies them to
You want
lie.
to lose your
IG not
bait. You
gonna
want to
tell them.
lose. You want to lose your
Never
little
lie.
walk. You want to lose a little
Jesus
job you
Christ.
have just for a 3-second video just to show people things? And
Sharon,
that's not yours?
I all of what she's doing, she do it last year. I don't pay this woman no mind because I see that she's mentally ill. The woman is sick. But you know what
The
upset
woman
me? Is
drop
the fact
word and start calling
I
him.
hear 3 children, I hear 3 babies lying for their fucking mother. And that's
Yeah, because she coached
the
them.
cake
She
on the
coached
fucking
them all the
icing.
time.
Ape Sanders. Ape Sanders. Canada
Right.
clown. Get the fuck off of IG and go back on YouTube. You're too lie and wicked.
IG germs.
The
Our
people
germs
them
them
not
there.
to watch you. And then she disrespect the girl. The girl I tell her the truth. It's
She
the
made a
truth,
comment.
Shana. You don't know
Exactly.
who they behind that page, eh? Me don't know who they behind Shana page. All I know, that page and the next one and the money. They're telling you the fucking truth. They have enough.
Congratulations. People are opening up them eyes and I see the fucking
She's
truth
wicked
what we
and
there
smart
talk
to the
about.
children them. She needs to be reported because she's
Tanya,
making the babies them lie.
but guess what? Not even that too. We've been saying it from how long? For almost 2 years.
Yeah.
This bitch is a liar. That's all she does. And love controversy. Love call people name. And mix them up in her fuckeries that she's doing.
This woman come for me and I never even know this woman. And she knows
Right.
I come and she talk it. Cause me see her drop one video where she say she don't know me. Then oh you don't know me have a lot to fucking say. Dirty woman
Right.
phone and call all the way at England. Call Child Protective Service on me. And
She lied.
You don't fucking know me. Dirty
Tanya,
blood.
she lied on you just to get on IG.
And then
She show a
you
fake
sit
fucking
down
text.
telling those poor babies to lie.
Right.
Come on, kids. Come, listen. We, the general public, want you to do a live, like when you're in the blood clot bathroom. The girls them demand say, all right, you're live. Go in the bathroom. The woman stand up. Jesus Christ, me never see nothing in history like this. One, I'm a chase, and the little girl they put, and there's another bathroom there, and there's another bathroom there.
Them lie just like them mama. Them mama put them up to it, Tanya. Them mother put them up to it. You're worthless. She fucking worthless, that dog shit, bitch.
On fucking you. To
May I
make
call social services? Watch. Tomorrow morning, may I call social service? Watch and see.
Something is wrong with this fucking woman. The woman is sick.
She's deranged, y'all.
Tanya sick.
But Tanya, they always say, oh, they don't call social service and this and that. And them, I don't want to call social service on people. And then I talk about we.
Is a person where you can see say she send home a lot of people. Go back and
Right.
Right. And then when you find her out, if you're in a situation where she can grasp you, lock you up. Remember, no, people, this woman don't know, and the sick go play. Cake or tea party.
Vice note, right.
Call social service for me over England, Pay this in my way. Have a look at Instagram war, and you pick up your phone, knowingly that
to get your kids taken away. She's wicked.
A lie. Big up yourself, Janet Palmer. Liar, blood clot, tell them. But that never stop you from doing it. And then here is me as a mother. But would I never make my children them lie for me?
Exactly.
Run all type of things. Uno, come see no for uno lagan and sit down. Uno need to tell a blood clot woman say she fake. She too lie. She too pussy clot lie.
Tell her when she's when she's doing something wrong, you guys tell her the fucking truth, man. Why can't you guys be like us and talk the bumper clot truth? Talk the things them.
Me don't know
the fucking woman lie. Hold on, Tanya, hold on there. You see how what's her name? Sid or whatever, Sid Survivor. Come out and show her
Yeah.
barrel them. You know, see how the bad mind wicked girl come out the next day, show her barrel them because she's dropping
Listen,
word
you
for
never see say she in a one little tiny that you can see says her father house and she go
right.
there and in a one little tiny cupboard because she can't even move. I'm really
You can't even turn around.
Tanya, yes, yes, bros. Immediately illegal. The woman would have
Yes,
called immigration for me. All the way from Canada. This
exactly.
dirty blood clot ugly
Yep.
monkey. Love and diary say ooh, ooh, monkey that
A monkey that.
some blood clot. Hey, this blood clot ugly
No, but
face girl, yo.
the woman is showing barrel because she wants to updo everybody. She wants to outshine Sid,
But
and she had
mother kick
drop
me kill me
word to
there.
Sid too. She had drop
You
word
know me
to
the
Sid.
walk,
No
me the
yourself.
walk come live from today, come. I say no. How we gonna get that? We gonna get that keep me kill me the blood clot boot that we have in that barrel. Eh? We are get that. What we wear that? Jamaica people them act no blood clot. Jamaican girl them look good no pussy clot.
Nobody no want
I
them
don't want
there.
no old blood clot, bro. Kick me kill me
Right.
boot, yeah, shoot. Your
Kick
blood
me,
clot
kill me.
them. Your food them cheap.
Right.
When me a blood clot pop barrel for
But
my
that's
man.
not her barrel. That's her man barrel that he's sending home to feed family them.
Yeah,
Tanya, she says
country
she's
man.
Canadian. Oh, I'm Canadian. So you're not Jamaican. So why the fuck y'all talk about your family them back home?
You know, woman say, our kids them visit Jamaica how much time. She gonna come drop out them passport because
Say lie?
and
Them not go nowhere.
illegal people. Listen, everybody we are war with have them paperwork. It's a paperwork, they have something.
It's
Government know
paperwork.
them, immigration know them, ICE know them.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So all you people about them status, you don't ban a blood clot Canada. I mean hear ya say, oh, your son. I don't want to hear nothing about those Jamaican people. Your son ugly no blood clots. We don't want an ugly monkey
Talk
represent our
truth.
Jamaican flag. Eh? Yeah, your ugly blood clot pitney them. You come talk about, oh, my son don't mix with Jamaica. No, Jamaica don't want to mix with him. What is barrel?
If
Every
you stay with the white,
Jamaica.
but hold on, Tanya, he must stay with the white people them, and you know see how him mouth dirty, just like PR1. In cuss beer blood clot bad word, a beer bad word come out time out, but oh, my sons are in university and college.
When I see you put up another son named Tajie in the pan Twitter. A
Yes, of course, and but oh, him want have weed session and all kind of something, me blood and hookah, all kind of hookah and all kind of shit.
Sid, you should even bother show that little toilet there. Where you have a little cramp up.
Drew.
And you want to see the whole of uno lift for me blood clot name. Me, I'm a pity them name. Live farming, live. Oh, Tanya bungle up. You know what? Man, my house nice and clean. Me no blood clot bungle up. 8 Sanders. What you do? You need to get reported. You're drawing your children them. And you talk about me. My daughter, I defend our name. I defend our sibling them name. If me and Pussy just a war to each other and the kids them. Cause when it
Right.
start, I'm kids them put start cuss first. Me have all of them. Me have all like so we have got a quote, you know. A quote. I me have all of it for sure the people them say. She come in at my inbox with my brother and start to violate my children them. Start to talk about them underneath and them this and them that and them stink and them this and that. That's why me and Puss kick off. You understand? And Manda come ask her,
Sharon Stone.
leave me and my sibling them name out of your mouth. We don't business with your mother. She wouldn't stop. She continuously they me pitney them. Right? Manda say what she say and she make peace within herself. I little girl don't even depend on the life them no more. You understand? But you dirty blood clot woman, we are right up on YouTube everywhere she there. People everywhere she there,
with
and me know her.
different page.
Right.
She's on
My
my
and
YouTube.
type. Oh, Tanya, you are the one this. Mr. What
You said this and you said that.
Woman,
Like, what the fuck?
Farm. Stop type up my name on YouTube, lady. Go find something to do.
You
Go
could
do
tell it's
something with
her
your
because
life.
you talk about you fret them and done. You fret them and done. All the time.
When me I send barrel
I
to my
might need
mother.
to trap, yes.
When me I send barrel, everybody know say Tesco. At Tesco, I'd wholesale them. We'll get some of the things them. I mean not
right.
Me not get Tesco brand. Me I get beer brand.
The real brand,
when me
right.
When me I send my mother
anything I have
barrel,
for myself, I send for my family then.
every
Exactly.
Jamaican blood clot barrel. Every Jamaican. Remember she try come on my DM and ask a question. Wallet. Me say when me hear the woman have me hear 3 different voice. 3 baby them. I say, yes, and you have a bathroom in your room and you have one there. Oh, you feel live in a 3-bedroom house and have more bathroom than room. What go so? What you do with 5 bathroom?
Have 5 bedroom. What is one person doing with so much bathroom?
Are different color, different style. And then you come type up my blood clot auntie name. Hey, big pussy girl, not type up auntie that name. Me can't walk auntie that
big blood clot teeth. Big teeth to blood clot. Fucking face teeth.
My bathroom big. It's not your bathroom.
But Tanya, she put on the camera quick, because she get catch. She thought she heard someone.
When the person type, Monique, she pause, she turn idiot.
Right.
Go call the kids. The live pause, you know. She paused the live. And then she go call the kids them and said, say that I haven't watched. Here, and my kids them, we're counting. The girl say, you're there on the live. Sister, daughter, you're there on the live already. It's a sick blood clot, bitch. You need to put down. You need a lethal injection in your blood clot.
Right.
You're mad. You're sick. You draw your kids them and why me come out just to come talk. Cause me is for kids. Me represent children. What you're doing to those children, it's wrong.
Right.
She's creating a monster. So when them start to lie now, there man, look ugly woman, Mr. Fletcher, me say, the woman over her life, I tell lie. The people them I say to her, I say, come on man, love Sanders, New Year, don't have for the fuckery.
Right.
We all know that you don't have nothing. We all know you only can find the basic and it's food. I will not beat you down on that.
Exactly.
And body have struggle. But if you know say you can't see you struggling in your ear, in your clothes where you wear, the shoes by your foot. It's true you say you struggle.
Right.
Bad. You struggle bad. Yeah. Me go shopping Monday. If be sure you my blood clot food shopping.
Yeah, but she act like nobody don't eat or buy food.
£800. I said to Kiara, say, I can't believe say, I spent £800 on the road. After I don't spend it, I say, I can't believe say, I spend £800 on blood clot food.
Right.
Shame Panari Mortal. Shame Panari. She said the people them on the life are rebel. Them tired of them.
No, but she use them. She use them for try say, yeah, my mom's telling the truth. Like, fuck off. Yeah. Nobody don't believe you, bitch. We need more people.
We don't want your account and your kids them. Show away. She turn idiot. I said the woman turn idiot.
She not know facts.
No, you're a liar. We all know. You don't got no 5 fucking bathroom. You live in a 3-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms.
You don't have no 5 bedroom. You don't have no fucking nothing. No big fucking kitchen.
You don't have
your
no
table
food.
chaka. You don't drive a Porsche. You don't have a BMW. Like, fuck
Stop
off,
it,
man. You have
man.
none of
Stop
that.
it, man. Just speak for the kids there, man.
Be
Stop it,
yourself.
man.
Be
Don't get the
normal.
kids
People
them
would like you
involved.
if you just be your damn self. Why you have to hype
She
and
cannot
go on
be
like you have
herself.
more
I
than
don't know
everybody
why
else?
the woman have to lie.
But Tanya,
You,
she lied for the
we don't have a
littlest
one eye.
things with a straight face.
Me have
The,
to see it. Me go send it come here. Me I send the video. Me I send it the live them immortal. You watch them. Me know you gonna come tomorrow. Come talk the things them when you watch it. I'm in bed. Me I go. I'm say me go in. I'm Google see what I go on. And normally, me don't watch her live them. Me can't, cause me cannot stomach the lady voice. Her voice irritate my spirit.
right, me too. Me
Spirit.
get angry. Me
It
get
make me
angry.
angry. It make me
Yeah,
angry when me
me
listen to
too.
her. Oh, she lie.
Lie. Every
And
second word is
wicked.
a fucking lie.
When me hear she talk and I say, I mean, I say, look how the woman clutter up the blood clot bathroom with beer clot and pan. Bathroom,
Right.
bathroom not supposed to say so.
It's
The
supposed
woman
to be simple.
wrap up towel and stuff.
Teddy bear. Don't
Teddy
fucking
bear
kill me.
down a bathroom. That bathroom for our breathing space.
Right.
Bathroom for our breathing.
Look at the white people bathroom. Tanya, look on the white people bathroom. Hmm?
Oh, it
She
has
out. She out.
space
Use
and
the
it does have them something where them wash them on
right
and them
pub
face cream and them
pit. Right, and it has the face. She even use their fucking face scrub. Oh my god. Just
talk truth
is
anti-palette.
her bathroom. How
Bathroom.
could that bathroom be your bedroom bathroom?
That
How could
one
that bathroom be your bedroom? She
listen,
fucking lie.
I love Donald Curry. Me love it. Me love the clothes. Me have a lot of shoes
Right.
and clothes in a Donald. But that one bathroom mat there from last year, she has showed and the juicy color.
Yeah.
You tell me say
Juicy
you can't.
couture.
You tell me say you can't change your bathroom mat. Eh?
Exactly. But not even that, Tanya. Look how she tried to put all the fandangles and all kind of something. Look at those things that are on the countertop.
All the lime salt. The woman are excited over to pussy clot.
She fucking
Lime
frightened for every
how much the
little
lime
thing,
salt?
yo.
How much the lime
At
lime salt over?
$2.99, $3, like $3.99. No expensive.
Me say
It's
the
cheap.
woman depend and you use this. Listen, full time now. You have to come off for IG. You find your face, you find your name. Nobody don't like you over IG. We hate you. We the general.
Exactly. We the public
man,
don't like you.
the page. Fuck off. We're tired of your lies. And your lies them are dry. It's a dry blood. See like how your head dry. I saw your lies them dry. Yeah. I saw
Not
a
a blood clot.
that disrespect the girl. The girl is you know how you feel when you watch somebody a lie and you know within yourself
Tanya.
person is lying. Can't even show you all her so who's
She has her
nursing
own
blood clot
opinion.
gown. She have the nursing gown for show it.
Listen, Tanya, the woman
You
says she
still
have
don't go
her
and watch
nurse's hat.
somebody
Me
lie.
bumble clot.
And you have to voice your opinion. That's how the girl said, why you so defensive?
Right.
I am telling you, that bathroom where you show this morning is not
It's
in
not
that
the same
house.
bathroom.
Is that no? Remember, I know she said that the one where she showed
She
this
said
morning.
it's in her bedroom.
Yes, she said it's in her bedroom, and she has showed the kids them one now. But what the girl that said to her, say you can tell that bathroom where you put up this morning is a different house setting.
Right.
Your house chaka paka.
Bubble clot, Tanya.
A bathroom that. Bathroom. Look at decoration on the wall. You understand?
Right.
You stand. Yeah, the nice. So them where you cover them, the nice cover them. Around her blood clot sink. She don't know so she can buy a nice cupboard. and pack up
Right.
her lotion. You know what the woman do?
Over it.
Yeah.
Above
Use
the
one
toilet.
tray. She use one tray and pack up her lotion and her ear something them. Lady, you tell me so you
A
can't.
side table, a end table, Tanya, she put in
Yeah,
the
what
middle
end
of the fucking
table
bathroom. No,
and
sir.
cupboard. You can get a nice cupboard for probably 150.
That's what I have. I put it over my toilet and it looks so nice
Yeah,
and neat.
we put over it and so and pack up your stuff them. Lady,
Pack
you
your
know
stuff in there. And even underneath
like
the sink, you could put the extra shampoos and
you,
extra
you
soaps and
one
stuff.
old table where you have. Cause you can't see say she know that she nothing. She drag it in her bathroom and pack it up.
Right.
That lady, when you talk and laugh, me
I
laugh
put bare towel at the bottom, make it look like say people come over, come shower. Be careful that,
yeah,
yo.
me laugh when your blood clot talk and
Oh
look
shit.
back. Yeah,
But Tanya, you just see on the page, we put up the for her that bathroom, the white people
that
one,
me I tell you,
and her old blood clot chaka chaka. Yo, it chaka chaka to me
she
not even know
can't
what to
spend
call
her
it.
money and buy a nice little cupboard for go around her sink. And one can
Exactly.
go on top of the sink too. Cause she have the
Right.
space
The
to go.
space. Right.
You
But
understand?
she
She
don't
can
know
pack out
style.
her
Tanya,
stuff.
Tanya, she don't know style. This woman ancient from 1920. She don't know nothing.
Yes,
You know, see the
woman.
woman blood clot table, the woman dining table. Me can't bother.
Yo,
Lord Jesus.
people who find our dining table last year, Christmas. You
Mm,
know want to see the fuck with them. Lady say, I tell me, say, you can't, you don't have no crockery. You don't have your nice crockery them where you set out for your table. The
exactly.
woman have our,
Nothing.
woman don't have our nice pirate dish them where you know say, when you share Christmas day, you put the food them in your pirate dish them. And
Pirates.
you put it for your
Right.
table and the kids them.
Table.
Everybody share what them want. You don't know what the woman have? One plastic something. The woman, I see the woman put her tambourine. Tambourine!
Tambourine
Tambourine
on it
on her
and
table.
candy and all.
Christmas
She put a
and
cup.
candy.
Tanya, she put a glass, a wine glass, right? Like a those champagne glass with candy in it, with
Christy and,
with a
and
ball from
the
off of the
lady don't
Christmas
even
tree.
have one proper NC, Baileys. She have the Corona,
Corona.
beer. Struggling is real.
She don't have no more water, no
They say the
nothing.
struggling is real for you. And
Jesus Christ.
put down, say,
And them attack
struggling is
Bowie
real. You know why we have bash you? You come out, me hear you talk. Tambourine, she put pan, make a post it.
table with shell.
Tambourine,
Tambourine with shell in a shell.
one tambourine, Christmas day, me gonna eat my dinner.
Tambourine, yo, dry tambourine with shell, guys. Don't
Put
forget.
like 4 or 5 meat and rest of things them like my potato salad and my macaroni and cheese. You understand? And my salad them. What the fuck me I do with tambourine? What me I eat tambourine? Tambourine. Me don't know all
Exactly.
tambourine with on our table. Hey, you see that something there where she have it in her? I have 2 of them. And when you keep birthday party, you put nuts or sweetie in
Yes, yes.
the party
Our
plate.
little bit of chips. Yes.
Yes. Right? Because when we used to keep my kids them party, my kids them not interested in
Right.
them no more, so I'm not really bother. I have the party plate
Exactly.
when I put the things them in, I knock the blood
Yes,
clot woman have
tambourine.
on our table. Christmas
Dry
blood clot
tambourine
there.
palette with shell. It have shell. It
Christmas
come
day
right
and
out.
drops.
And drops. Yes, she put drops.
Drops.
The
Drops
dry drops and
drops.
tambourine.
Where you go with that?
Tambourine
Where you
right
go with
out
that?
of the
table
package.
set.
The
The
tambourine,
table
it's not even like
oh,
Tanya. It's not even like the tambourine that have the sugar, you know what I mean, on it or whatever. And she put it. She put the one with the shell. It
but
have shell, people.
listen, no fucking tambourine are drops. Not supposed to be for your dinner table. Your
Those
Christmas
come
dinner
after
table.
where
You're
you
supposed
find
to
it out.
have. Tanya, what's what you mean by that? I'm immortal.
Me, how come me
What's
can't see immortal comments? She block me.
She kill a black you, cause you would the fire. Yeah, something keep on a chip out and a chip in.
Oh.
She would wait name. She could come on the live if none on the black nobody. Yo,
Right.
lady, take my advice. Tanya, what? Tanya, yeah, what? She was her page. No, she know her page. I don't know what you mean by that. Type it over back.
Apes son just think
Yo,
everybody house
me,
is
I
like
talk
hers.
about the kids
Exactly.
them. Because I understand, sis, sometimes you just have to ignore people.
People
Act as
act
if
as
they
if
are.
they are invisible. Visible
And
and
Joe,
non-existent.
me not pay that woman in a mind. I always had a liquor. We rally. Me is not that me don't drink alcohol. You understand? But
Right.
Manda, we have a little drink, not too much. Rally, we have him little drink, but I don't really drink. But when me I set up my table for Christmas, tambourine and wait name not supposed to dip on it.
Drops.
And drops. Not supposed to dip on my table. What can that y'all gonna give the kids them diarrhea? Like when them don't eat, them belly I go upset because how much
And
different.
candy. And chocolate. You can't bother. Too
Yeah, you
much
know what,
different
Auntie
blood
Polly?
clotting.
Yes. Non-alcohol wine. Every Christmas, I buy it for my kids. Them love it. Lady, you talk about me and you beat down my kids them. And you don't know me and my pitney them. And you call your pitney them. You call your kids them for come
To do our
lie
dirty
through them.
work.
Three pitney me ear. Yes, mom. Yes. And then she swear to she cuss the girl in front of her
Right.
kids them. She
Exactly.
cuss the
Because
girl
she a
and the
lion.
gunner. Cause guess what?
She never expect that. She never expect the
Hey, so when she
confrontation.
read it, when she see what the girl put
She
up,
frightened.
she
Right.
fright no. Listen, we're tired of you now. Everybody tired of you. Me
Talk
know
about your brother
yeah,
will get deported, idiot girl. That's what you talk about and stop call people name. Stop drop words on your page when you're
she
cooking
need
dirty blood
life.
clot dog
She need
food.
life. I come type
Talk
up
about your
Dan.
sister with blood clot
Gone,
hate your feelings. She hate
gone. Me
you.
bathroom.
Your
My
sister don't
bathroom
like
in your
you.
house.
Bigger
Move
than
your
your
blood
house.
with a little bit of bathroom as and married. Move the little bit of
Move your house
bathroom.
or a little bit of bathroom and a
Eh?
little bit of
We have
house
to
because she live in a
me
sardine
I want
can.
that damn blood. In naked blood clot ugly me nah lie no me me hate her no. Me say me
Me
hate the
too.
woman me hate her. Yo, the way me hate her, me cannot. Her voice alone, me I tell you no people,
It's
she
upset
irritate my
my
whole
spirit.
spirit.
I'm telling you, as soon as I
She
hear her
will
voice, I
lie
get
and she
angry.
try. Well, yo, you want to see how she behave, lady, you get catch. No say,
She put on the
no.
camera quick and she did it on live. And I thank God that
Man.
people actually see the truth. That if you were in your
The
own
most
house, you wouldn't have.
for them white setting, right? I'm
Right.
just see it, I'm a social whisper. And she a go on and here and this is what she and what we if you tell people say this say use what she on. Nobody know want blood clot to that. Everybody know say hygiene have to turn
Use
up,
soap
words
and
have to
water.
color. You have to have
Right.
your hand wash. And and this is my setting the great a white people setting in your
It's
house laugh
plain. You
and
could see
chaka
it's
chaka.
plain and simple. The white people them house plain and simple, Tanya. Them
But
have all the same carpet.
Mr. Brass in our bathroom and Mr. Brass bathroom just nice. That little wall ornament
Right.
them. And I look
Exactly.
will just hang up and wait for hang up and you don't need those fandangles where you are putting in your bathroom.
Teddy bear. Me never see teddy bear in a bathroom.
You know when you either you take a shower or
You take a bath.
the bathroom gets
Right.
steam up. The bathroom no fi have so much clot. Your bathroom window
Exactly.
always have a little crack. Always
No, but you
crack.
know what it is? She wanted to make it look like it's the white people them house. So the way that they put their little stuff them on them table, she feel like when she go for her yard, she can do the same thing. And she put
Hey, you don't know what kind of
no
curtain.
see her put all the towel
You know
towel
what
she
type
put
of
on the
curtain she put a kitchen curtain or bathroom
Jesus
curtain.
Christ,
You don't see it, pretty?
Lord.
You don't see
Yes,
it?
me see it with the
blood
with the
clot
candy
woman put
cane.
a kitchen
With the candy
kitchen
cane.
curtain at the blood clot bathroom. All the bathroom
And
you need
flip it
is a
up
blind.
and flip it over and then put the teddy bear them in it.
All the bathroom need is a blind. Just a blind. All
Right.
the little mesh
Yes.
curtain them, the fluffy one them where have
No,
the little
what she
frill.
needs, Tanya, she needs one of those.
Pretty like
And then
Bagga.
have a towel. All you need is a towel for you to dry your hand. That's all. Like, what the fuck? Everybody has their own towels in their house.
Herself, Annie baby. She need while you know you go in a bathroom and them have the nice little mesh curtain with a little frill. Either
Right.
that or she need a blind.
By the window, you mean? By the window.
By the
Okay,
window.
yeah.
Yes, me I talk
Yeah,
the
by the window, yeah.
bathroom not supposed to clutter up like that.
No. Mm-mm.
Where them big old city they shower the blood clot window and she put
The most thing it's supposed to have is your curtains are supposed to match your mat. That's about it.
exactly.
And then your stuff on your counter, the stuff on your counter could be the same color as the mats. You see what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So if the mats are black or if the mats are whatever color, gray, then you just put the stuff that you get, like to put the soap
yes,
compressor
and
thing.
you have kitchen
The soap
curtain,
dish and those stuff.
kitchen curtain in the bathroom.
We never see that yet.
She
Lord
want anti
Jesus.
curtain for true. She want yo the woman now no blood clot taste of that bone me fear, you know. And when she
No taste.
and a blood I come and take liberty with decent people, look good people, people we have clothes, we have
Class. They have things. They have more than she.
You not have not no. You have to have blood clot. A sit dog, the dog in a yard. Me shall scream off a dog. The people them need to know how she bully them dog.
Exactly.
Guilty.
So hold on, how she not bring the dog over to the white people them house?
She say the dog must say I come upstairs, but a lie she a tell. You know what happened through the girl type and say, come on man, Love Sanders. That bathroom this morning and the one you show now is two different homes.
Different. Right.
You tell the white people them setting light up right, cause them like the sunlight to come in upon them.
They don't even use curtain in their living room. You notice? They don't have no curtain.
Them use blind, a blind there the white
right
fucking window.
And in the nighttime they pull them down.
They down them blind.
Right. In the daytime they like sunlight. Not like we like to cover them or just crack it. You know what I mean? Make little sun come in. Bumbleclad. Fear house dark.
Human house dark and clutter up. You can tell by the way
it's ancient.
Herself. You can tell that this woman is slappy, untidy. She don't know how to set. She don't know how to tidy a house.
She has a little picnic mind. You could see even with the stuff that she's making.
Here are. Oh, the frozen. That's not a frozen bathroom. That's just one
That's a
frozen sticker.
exactly. There's
Oh,
nothing frozen in there.
yeah, no.
Nothing.
Oh, guys, you remember telling me that the bathroom was a frozen bathroom? Oh, I'm not.
That's not
That
fucking
is just
frozen.
one fucking sticker. Me did
Tanya,
that
it's
for them.
frozen in time. It's frozen in ancient times. Kind of move blood clot go nowhere. It
She
don't
is
move go
a
nowhere.
housekeeper blessing. She tied the people house. And what she
Yeah,
do?
red eye, she red eye,
Yeah.
palette.
She
Palette,
visit
she
the
red
people in
eye.
the house and tell lies say a fear house and this and it'll catch up on her and the people them get tired of her. Come on. Like enough now. You can done now. You
It
can
doesn't
stop
take it doesn't
that.
take a genius to for why we're always saying that she's lying. She don't like that we speak the truth.
Me say Bona, me say the
Everything she
toothpaste
said.
from par today.
No, but
Come to
Tanya,
God,
all
us,
the
God, some
toothpaste,
girl a
the
cut
blood
from
clot,
Nigeria and
the
dirty house.
toothpaste, Tanya, nearly finished. You know, when you're squeezing out the end part of
Yeah,
it.
it's brass.
Jesus Christ,
When
no man.
that's why me know someone a bad mind, me no blood clot for my life. Me not gonna come up
Exactly.
inside and tell you say my life perfect. But me tell you something. My life is happy. I'm comfortable. I'm
Right.
comfortable and me a clean
Mm-hmm.
blood clot, y'all.
Me
A two
too.
time a day me clean bathroom. When you
Right.
look for me and my cleaning product and my things,
Talk the truth.
and me use my toilet for me
I don't
for
like a
two
dirty
things like,
I don't like a
yeah,
dirty counter. I don't like a dirty
you
counter or a
understand?
toilet. None of
You
that
cannot
shit.
show a dirty bathroom, but hey, I gotta work, man. Gotta work, you know? Yo,
And
me
I
what
show a countertop. I show the
what
people
said?
island.
Sit type up some things for me.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Them cussa, them know social liar. The one when name Sid Survivor, me watch her type up some things for me. And this blood clot, dirty girl with her dirty shit up toilet never meet me. And diary make you have to run out. The way it burn you come out.
Exactly. And our house chaka
And
and
the
dirty
one
too.
bed, yeah, your
Just like
son
Love
share
Sanders.
that bed. That's not a child room. A child room have kind is a boy, so probably have him Superman and him this and him that and him Hulk and that in a
Right.
room. And
Right.
what that is that you can see say that's her bed. Her, she and him is a one bedroom.
That's like a twin bed though. That's not like a king size or
Me
queen.
know dirty a toilet, dirty.
No,
And me
but
watch
she's
what
just like Love Sanders, Tanya. The two of them dirty in the city girl floor. Sid Survivor story. Her floor dirty.
Love Sanders, your bathroom
Dirt
still want
alert.
clean. Your bathroom just dark and cluttery. That me
As
no
soon
want
as you walk in there, it looks
is
cluttered.
a
Like just the
show
teddy bears. Just the
teddy
teddy bear
bears.
them alone.
You're supposed
At
to crack
that.
your blood clot bathroom winter time. Cause when you go take up, you have to crack the window so that can come out. And you
That's how mold gets on the walls and stuff because it's moist, right? It's moisture.
yes.
Right.
And that's
So
why
you're supposed to let the air
more
out.
will end up coming in our bathroom because
Right.
bathroom is too clutter.
Right. It's
You don't need
cluttered
all
and
those
moist.
things. What teddy bear I do pan curtain? No lady you know no style. Lady have a pitney blood clot brains. You have a pitney brains. Boy,
Right.
you're civil servant. Civil servant me ass. Yo, shame on you. I'm a company as of say. Shame on you for making your children them
Come
lie.
on, lie on the line.
Bringing in the children them to lie. So you know when. Yes, auntie, we build up. Even though we have the ventilation fan, me still crack. We have to crack it. My bathroom them crack for
Yep.
the fresh air come in for the built up. Me not have with more and them something them me not have problem with. Become always all my room window crack right
I
now
always
in the
have to crack
winter.
the door because we don't have no window in our bathroom, but there you have to crack the door or something in order for the air to come
Yes.
out.
You
Because it'll
understand?
build up all in the cracks of the walls, and then you get black circles and the
Kinel
mold.
woman go for your tree pitney
Fuck
them.
that.
Yo,
No,
lady,
sir.
what you do? That's low down dirty.
That's
And,
what people should call fucking CPS on
and if
you
you come
for.
back, me not care if you want answer me, cause you're mad blood clot woman, you're delusional, you're deranged. You live
Right.
in a la land. What you gonna come out come say? Oh,
Mm,
did the same fucking thing.
Same fucking shit.
Listen,
Right.
Christmas tree full of present for my kids. Them house full of food. Yeah. Today, when me get up now, me start me cleaning. Cause me clean on Christmas Eve. Me have the Jamaican style in a me. You understand? Me curtain them. Me not take them down. Cause my curtain them already put up about 3 months ago. Me not take them down. But I'm gonna put new sheet on the bed. Yeah. And they saw it there.
Tanya, she better, anyhow, she blood clot talk and keep
Them
talk too hard,
no
women
bitch,
alive.
me not lie. You need to call them social worker upon her.
Of course.
You know
Of
why? She
course.
making the children them
Do her
live
dirty work on live.
on lady. How low can you go? Fucking hell. I did have to come live to talk about it. Cause you know what? Gonna bash me out and they on live with our kids them. Me kids them not dumb. Them can't talk. If me come on live, anywhere me them my kids, them, even me go downstairs at the living room, them I go trail behind me. They go figure burn them out. Me,
Tanya, what this bitch needs to know is that we know more than she thinks we know.
you
We know
late
a
yellow
lot about
mellow.
this bitch. We know a lot about this bitch. So anyhow, she talk too hard. She don't want her family them blood clot come out and we'll fling them out. So she better watch her bumper clot
Yeah, I
mouth.
tell you.
Take heed and listen to what Tanya just
And then
said.
yeah, blood clot, a big a dirty girl, don't blood clot type up my auntie name, You come type up auntie Dan.
Right.
And house clean
That have
blood
nothing
clot
to do
night.
with that. Oh,
So
that name
fucking
coming at the
stupid.
blood clot bashing
Dan and
stupidness.
her husband and her one child, cause Dan big kids them do not live with her. What I need a bigger house. The woman in a 2-bedroom flat. We call it flat, them call it apartment. Right?
Right.
The woman don't need for have a bigger property. All
She
that is
comfortable.
she
She don't owe nobody
comfortable.
nothing.
The little girl have her room, Dan have her room, she have her living room. The woman don't need for go blood clot, go run because of uno. But me tell you something, love Sanders. You see that internet here, it a broke you. It a
Of
broke you.
course.
You know why it a broke you? You prove too hard. You gonna spend extra things where you don't fucking have. We know you don't have it. Stop trying.
Tanya, she a red eye the people them house where she
She
go
red eye
clean.
everything. She
She go
cannot
clean them house
afford it.
and she go and she videotape and almost get catch one time in the garage. And then next time, just like how she nearly get catch today in the fucking
Couple
bathroom.
days ago, me see that she said she go grocery shopping. Then today again she put up say she go grocery shopping. Eh?
Lie.
Then I
Lie, Shata.
you a feed so cause my household more than fear.
Right.
And me no go blood clot shopping so. Me no go shopping.
Exactly. Exactly.
And we have
She does
feed so.
she does these things to try prove that she have more
Prove
than everybody else. Like for what reason? Nobody gives a fuck.
exactly
We
more
all
time.
eat. We all eat food.
And she
So
satisfied what she have. She satisfied what she have. Right now, in a them time here, a life, you have to hold on upon. Life, you have to fight for live. Because people are dead. The disease are kill people. Nobody not talk about no house and no clothes. If it come, if you end up probably you want to go school, go do your nursing, it never too blood clot late.
late.
Say
Right.
instead of you there on the
No,
internet and try prove say you are a nurse, a civil servant, which is you're not,
I was
right?
gonna say the same thing, Tanya. She talk about being a nurse and this and that before she come on the internet and talk about what's going on in the fucking hospital and how much
Yeah.
people are dying every day and stuff
Yeah, the
like
blood
that. She are
clot
coming a
woman.
bagga
The blood
bagga.
clot woman say she not go take she go leave her job because before she take the COVID injection. Me tell them something they me cross.
Ignorant.
Me
Yeah, maybe ignorant.
ignorant.
Mm-hmm.
Me I say what the fuck this blood clot. Let me see what yellow mellow. Internet acceptance she looking for. She want version but make herself look stupid like people don't see. It's too different. Exactly.
Right.
Nah go boss. She not nobody no lady you too
Nobody don't
ugly.
like
Are
her.
you
No,
too lie?
she
Me
not have no
tired to
sense
tell
of
you.
style, nothing.
Stop with the fucking lies. That's people don't like liar people.
Right.
You're too dry eye. Like for your head dry. Your fucking head dry. I saw the woman picture. M-E-A. Me's a girl, you know. Me's a loving girl, you know. I'm telling you, you know. Me hate the woman, you know.
Me
More
too.
time I feel say me hate her. Me no like her a blood clot. Me no like the woman.
Mm-hmm.
Me hate her. She
She
too
too fucking
lie.
lie for no reason at that. Every fucking thing she talk is a lie. Her grandfather they in a blood clot world war and this and that. Like for
Her
what?
grandfather did in a Hitler time when she never born. Cause the war they
Right.
start 1940, 42 or what?
42 or
All
one of
right.
them.
Me don't even blood clot. You no born yet. You no born yet. So how the fuck you for come by their school when them call you? Them your father. Yo, hey gal. Hey, if you tap it, man. You're too blood clot, liar, wicked. Tap it. Tap it. Where I get out I lie? Where I get out I? Nobody no business with you. Nobody no business with you. But when you come on the internet and then you make the people them look stupid. She make the people them look stupid because she don't want you to correct her and tell her say she wrong. And then when the people them correct her and I tell her say, come on, love Sanders, man. Stop it, man. Enough, man. Shame on you. Shame on you to get the kids them. I mean, I fling it up on my blood clot pH. For sure, the people them say, Una no body. Una no body. Una lie to una la drag on the children them to come lie on the internet. I drink too much water, I see. I see a yellow mellow, right? Oh, she gonna leave her job she's not into. I don't know now. Ingenious. Not even you did born them time there. Anti-pilot. And the woman a lie. The woman said, my grandfather died in the World War. I with the bomb bubble. Lady, my life I cut now. I now come back. Shame on you. Shame, shame, shame on you to come and lie and making your children them lie. We all know you are a struggling parent like every fucking body else. Stop showing the people them house. Make 2021 be a different year for you. For you say, all right, no, me done with the bullshit and the lies. You just come back IG and everybody hate you. Everybody hate you. Because of the lie. It don't make no sense, lady. You don't need to lie. Live your life. Why you lying? Call him pan her blood clot, cause she call him pan me. She call him pan me and she don't know me and she call him pan me. Yeah. Oh, Tada. You too, don't get the kids them. Leave the children them alone. Stop mess up the kids them brains and mind.
Why you do it, John Crow?
State evidence, them pussy they a feds. Come talk in a court, then come a wall ends. Gun pa your waist with the rest of bugs them. One bag of rum, bag of grabber, you know all men. Who no ever have a